Eggs, come on, we all love them, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner. So today, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to cook eggs. Scrambled and fried.
Let's make fried egg.
If you start cracking eggs into a cold pan, whatever pan it is, it's gonna stick. So get some heat in there.
Sorry, children.
Okay, I like to start with a tiny drop, just a tiny drop of oil.
A teeny tiny drop of ghee. I love ghee. I can literally bath in ghee.
Now, butter goes in.
As ghee is a byproduct of butter, ghee comes from evaporating the butter.
Hiya! What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what? Crack it on a flat surface and then literally drop it down, open it up and crack that into the pan.
Cracking my egg into the pan. Oh, I like those sound.
Now, hear that noise? That's the chef's dream. Let that blister on the outside.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
But look, gently move it. I like a touch of chili flake on my fried egg. Just a touch.
I made chili oil in my previous video, so I'm gonna reuse it.
24 hours
I know. I'm screwing up.
to prepare this.
Spatula, drain off your egg. Beautiful, glides out the pan. Set that on there. And there we have a beautiful, stunning, delicious fried egg.
I'm struggling to get this out of pan. It looks beautiful. I don't even know my 5'3" imaginary girlfriend can be this beautiful. Let's pop some yolks. This is how I eat an egg. Fold it in half and devour. The chili oil, it gives an incredible flavor. Once again, I did a great job. I burnt my mouth, but worth it.